All right, how you doing, YouTube? It's Dave. I'm back with the Vulcan 800 cheap budget build series. What I'm going to do now is change the oil on it. I just took the bike out, ran it around for about 10-15 minutes, got it nice and hot. So we're going to drain the oil and go ahead and change this oil out. Since I bought the bike, I don't know when the oil was changed last, so I like to do it and document it so I have it for my records and can know when it needs the next oil change. So we're going to give that a shot. So let's grab some tools and get going. All right, after getting the bike nice and warm, first thing I want to do is make sure I can get the oil fill cap off. I've never done it in this bike, and like I said, this is a used bike, so never know. This could have been cross-threaded and locked on there and not been able to fill up oil, put oil back in it. So luckily, we're able to get that off. So we're just going to remove that out of the way. And then we're going to use a 17mm wrench down here. I don't know if you can see it, to break this drain plug loose. And then we have a drain pan handy, and we'll get it all drained out. All right, I don't know how well you can see this, but trying to break it loose. It's a 17mm, at least that's what mine is. So let's get the drain plug out and we'll drain this oil. Yeah, she's looking pretty nasty. So we're just going to let that drain for a little while, get all that old oil out of it, and then we'll be back to do the rest of the service on it. Alright, so now we're going to remove the oil filter. Alright, always check the oil filter, or like this one you can see the housing, and make sure that the seal came off with it. Alright, we're going to let that drain out of there for a minute and get the oil ready to go in it. Alright, what I always do is I write the mileage and the date on the bottom of my oil filters. I've always done that. I like to keep track of it a little bit easier that way in case I miss it in the book. But now I'm going to put some oil in here. I always put oil in my oil filter as well, and then I'll put it on the bike. Alright, I hope you can see this. It's kind of dark on this side of the garage, but I got the oil filter on. Now I'm going to add the oil to it. 0.1 quarts. So now I'm going to add the oil into it. My funnel, let's see if I can get the camera angle here where you can see it's just adding oil, no biggie. So let's see. So I've got a little over 3 quarts in this jug. I'm using Rotella 1540. Alright. Little technical difficulties there. It happens every once in a while. But got the oil filled. It's registering at the top of the sight glass. I'm going to start the bike for a second and just get the oil pumping through it, and then we'll check it again. I know you're supposed to get it off, let it run for a while, and then check it again, but I just want to make sure it pumps through the filter, we get enough oil in it, and everything in the right places. And then we'll check it once we take it off the lift. Just wanted to run it for a second. We're going to let the oil come back down, and then we'll check it all out there for the final time. But it's still in the safe zone there, so that's changing the oil in it. Simple tip, remember to put your drain plug on. It happens every once in a while, you forget it, and that's what I did. So did something stupid. It happens. Luckily I had enough oil left. It had some more oil to finish the job, but I lost about a quart into the drain pan. So alright, so thanks for watching. Hope this helps. And we'll have more to come on this Vulcan 800. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and part of me doing this channel is also showing you mistakes, and I just made a beginner's mistake. So make sure you put your drain plug on and before you start filling it with oil. Alright, have a great day. Be safe, ride safe, and we'll be back again for some more shortly.